How to change the battery limit for wireless power sharing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. So you will see device care is here, so click on device care. Now here, so scroll down and click on battery. So after click on battery, scroll down and you will see wireless power sharing is here, so click on wireless power sharing. So after click on wireless power sharing, you will see battery limit is here. So if you want to change wireless power battery sharing, so click on battery limit. So you will change battery limit from here 30% to 90%. So you will adjust battery limit from here. So after adjust battery limit, click on OK. So you will see battery limit is changed. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can change the battery limit for wireless power sharing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.